दक्षिण रेलवे के चेन्नई मंडल के अधीन जो चेन्नई गुडूर रेलखंड है उसके कोवरपेटई स्टेशन पर 12578 बागमती एक्सप्रेस जो कि मैसूरू से चल करके दरभंगा तक जाती है, इसके दुर्घटनाग्रस्त होने की सूचना हमें प्राप्त हुई। उसके बाद राहत और बचाव कार्य जो है वह तेजी से प्रारंभ किया गया। पूरी ट्रेन से यात्रियों को निकाल लिया गया है, सभी यात्रियों को निकाला गया है। किसी भी यात्री को कैजुअलिटी इसमें नहीं है और न ही किसी के ग्रीवियस रूप से इंजर्ड होने की सूचना है, यानी कि गंभीर चोट किसी भी यात्री को नहीं लगी है। और सभी यात्रियों को उनके गंतव्य तक ले जाने के लिए रेलवे द्वारा विशेष व्यवस्था की जा रही है। एक डेमू ट्रेन के माध्यम से पहले यात्रियों को कोवेरपेटई स्टेशन से चेन्नई स्टेशन लाया जाएगा और वहां से फिर उनके गंतव्य स्थान पर विशेष ट्रेन के माध्यम से भेजा जाएगा। पूरी यात्रा के दौरान यात्रियों की सुरक्षा और खान पान की व्यवस्था जो है वह रेलवे द्वारा की जाएगी, ऐसा प्रबंध कर लिया गया है।
So as you are aware, there was a train accident involving Bagmati Express at around 8:30 in a place called Kavarapete in Thiruvallur district of Tamilnadu. A stationed cargo train it collided on a cargo train. Around 6 coaches were derailed. There were around 1,360 passengers on board. It is said that there were 1,360 passengers on board. We swung into action. Our Honorable Chief Minister had instructed us to ensure that the rescue operation be in full swing, and based on his instructions, we ensured that every single passenger was rescued. So luckily, there are no casualties. There have been no deaths. We had 19 people who had injuries, and four of them had severe injuries. They all were referred immediately to the Government Stanley Medical College Hospital in Chennai, and the others with minor injuries were referred to the nearby hospital at Ponneri.
This train was going towards Gudur and further to Andhra Pradesh and via Odisha. It would have gone to Darbhanga. So it started from Mysore. So while going towards Gudur, it has to pass this station. So at this station, goods train was stabled at the loop line, and this was given precedence. So this was supposed to pass via the main line, run through without stopping. There is no stoppage here. And signals were also given for the main line, but it was unusual that despite having the signals for the main line, the train entered the loop line where the goods train was standing. So it hit the goods train from behind, and because of which this engine has derailed, but fortunately both our loco pilot and assistant loco pilot